Pete?
And just make sure whatever you do, don't say.
Yeah, I won't say nothing.
Don't say no, then it might mistake you for saying, you know, start recording or something like that. But like, are you following or are you leaving? No.
Oh, basically. No. I'll be here. Let me tell you something. If my bike was up already, I'd be riding now. I'd be just shifting fucking with the back of my foot. Yeah, I would have rigged up something on my shit.
making sure everybody get in the gym.
Good. Does it voice record too? Gotcha.
Yeah. It's voice activated.
Gotcha. Good.
So you just can't say certain words or it'll go. You know what I'm saying? I'm thirsty too. I know that.
You're right. How about that? I'm pretty sure it's good too. You know what I mean?
It better be. It's home. It's homemade.
Right. I'm pretty sure. She's been doing it for a long time.
Yeah.
I'm going to count how many people it is.
I say about 30, 40.
30, yeah.
At least.
7, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20. I ain't ready right now.
Yeah, it's about 35, 40.
Yeah, y'all. We came through here.
Yeah, we came right past them.
We sure did, didn't we? Yeah, you're right. Absolutely. I didn't know where they were at, but yeah. Yeah. So, oh yeah. I want to see their face.
I didn't see anything to do with suspension. So you look like a good guy. You give him 20, I don't get anything. The two is hustle me. He's like, yeah, give me a 10. He's gonna be like, here's 20. And I'm gonna be like, the guy didn't donate.
God, no rush. I see you heard that all day. Don't even sweat.
Yeah.
Do you want change? Are you sure? Yeah. Okay, thank you.
You're the helmet.
Yeah.
Oh, my fault.
Are you sure? Thank you.
You guys want lemonade? Go ahead, give him the lemonade.
Yeah.
You want a couple lemonade? Go ahead, we got you.
Thank you.
Guys, thanks. Oh, yeah. Well, appreciate it.
Thank you.
You guys got a ride going on?
Yeah. Came to see you.
Came to see you.
Yeah. You guys rock. That's awesome.
Where'd you guys park?
The PNC.
So what's the way after see we're done? Yeah, we're gonna go over there. I got a few things to raffle off. I got gift cards to raffle off, a helmet to give away. So everybody save your cup.
Yo me lavo el pelo, no te preocupes.
Then we got some stuff to give away, and then
Is it time to eat some food first, or is it like?
yeah, no, we're gonna hang for a while. Like I said, I'm gonna raffle some stuff off, but I'll wait for you guys.
Yeah, perfect. You grab some food.
Everybody in the building showing love.
No, it turned out I can't believe 5 days notice. Put your name on it, and then we'll get a raffle, and I'll get some more cups. I'm hoping to get one of the girls here, but we're too far away. Yeah, you guys don't by any chance have a trash bag I can get? Any kind of a plastic bag? Because I got one, but it's, I didn't even know that you were going to go. It just happened to be here, which wasn't too bad.
There's some food over here if you guys would like some.
Thank you very much. Anybody want wings or anything? Free for the riders. Free food for the riders. Anybody want anything? Right over here. Seriously. I gave you my number. That's my business number.
Okay.
So that'll put you into my business. Sure, yeah, and I'll do it.
That was slick. You ain't got to carry it around. He'll bring it for you. He'll bring it for you. You know it's going to get there, right?
I'm so thirsty.
Yeah, no doubt. Absolutely. It would be nice in that way. If there's everyone nearby, I would get noticed.
520.
This guy's trying to
Hey,
raise
wasn't
his odds.
Nice.
I always gonna stay.
Need more?
No,
You guys good?
I'm good.
All right.
Thank you.
Sure.
Everybody done? What is it? No name?
yeah.
This guy wrote no name on his shit. TV like this, right?
See what? You want me to grab some more pens?
I think passing it around. Yeah, I think we can make do with the two. Thanks, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Is it running? Is it got memory? Is it enough or no?
All right, listen. In the truck, up on top, you know, where the TV is, the board table in the front. There's two. It's all right on the table. You can't miss it. There's a pair of grips in a clear plastic box. You see, as soon as you look at it, you'll see they're right in the middle of the table. There's 2 gift cards on top of two T-shirts, Innovative Cycles T-shirts. You can't miss it. There's 2 T-shirts, 2 gift cards, and I'll call you if I can.
all right, 2 gift cards and the pair of chrome grips and the helmets on the floor right by the back door. You got everybody? Yeah, I'm not in it, so I'm not getting in it. So I'm not finishing mine. Are you in it?
I'll put my wife, but if
Yeah, no, your wife definitely.
the car comes out, I'm not going to my
This way, look at this guy. Look at the cup. I was wondering about that when we were doing it. Yeah, get in there and separate the ones that are inside of each other. Yeah, see if yeah, wow, that bunch of them got in. Did they just get that way, or did they throw them in that way?
They just go in there.
I think they threw them in that way. What the hell kind of odds are you giving yourself when you put the stuff in the water? Yeah, make sure you get this. All right, here we go. All right, so the first one, I guess what, a gift card?
gift card, Wawa gift card.
We got 2 of them. We'll do 1 Wawa gift card. Rob D.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Second Wawa.
2.
Watch him win again, this kid.
Symbol on it. Somebody put a symbol on F. What is it? F in a circle?
F in a circle?
Number 7.
F in the circle.
That's
Is that a 7? It looks like that could be a few 7s. That could be a couple of 7s. That's the artist formerly known as. Can you wait? Do you have ID? Do you have ID? Can you prove that to you?
Here you go, sir.
Cool. Hang on to that. I want to keep it. Hang on. All right, and then 2. Thanks.
All right,
Appreciate you
all
coming out.
right.
Thanks. And then we got the 2 the 2 Wawa. I mean Dunkins. All right. Yeah, we got 2 Dunkins. Hey. Congratulations. Thanks for coming out.
I'm Duncan.
I know. You and me both? I'm debating on keeping this one myself. Danny? Danny B.
All right.
Thanks for coming out.
Thank you.
All right, and all right, I got a nice pair of grips. I got a couple T-shirts. Anybody want a T-shirt? Can I grab a couple more, if you don't mind? Here's the helicopter one.
Awesome.
I didn't know if people would really dig that with that, but this one's just got the guy on it, so I figured I'd
Justin.
I did one of each.
He's looking for that. Yeah, he's looking.
Justin W.
Right here.
All right.
Which one you like? This one's got the helicopter scene, and that one's
I'm gonna go helicopter.
Thank you very much. Here, man, yo, do me a favor. Hang on to this, and when we go back over there, give me this. Thanks.
He would.
J-Rock. J-Rock.
There he is.
Thanks, man. Coming out. Seriously, here, hang on to that. Give it back just when we get over there.
I ain't giving you no.
All right, and a pair of grips.
Right.
I'll swap it out for you if you want.
Yeah, that.
Sean. Yes.
All right, okay.
All right, there you go. All right.
Grand for now.
All right, then we got, it's an XX large. What's up? Can you use them, seriously?
Absolutely.
Nice, nice. Because I was afraid to give it to somebody, oh, I just got a brand new pair of grips. All right, nice. That's a nice pair too, right? Yeah.
Oh, my man. Rich, my man. All right, Rich.
How you doing? Here, hang on to that. You got it.
I got a big head too. So
Yeah, I was going to say, want me to hold that for you?
yeah, you can hold it, but I got you on camera.
Nice. All right, well, that's it.
All right.
Here, throw this in there. Yeah, right? Yeah, for the bike.
Let's give a round of applause.
Thanks a lot, buddy.
Give a round of applause for Fleet. For Fleet.
Thanks, everybody, for coming out.
Right.
Dude, this is awesome.
Right.
This was beyond awesome.
It really was, man. It really was.
Beyond awesome.
I was wondering if I could take a picture of my son with all of you guys.
Yeah.
Can I take a picture of my son with all you guys here?
Absolutely. Yeah, yo, everybody gather around.
He's a brain cancer survivor.
Oh, for real? Oh, yeah, bring him over.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, yo, everybody gather around.
Can I put this here so I can get? Because it has the camera on it, so I'm gonna.
Okay.
So it can get everybody.
Okay. Thank you.
Wait, we're going to be this way.
All right.
Where do you want it?
Oh, in front of the stand. Oh, okay.
On each side of the stand, but so you can still see the stand? You want to... Yeah, everybody gather around both sides of the stand so they can still see it.
There you go, the man of the hour right there.
All the ladies up front. All the ladies up front.
Do you want to do it?
Are we ready? Everybody in?
In that finger.
Ready?
No.
There we go. Nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.